Good morning, students. In this today's video of Unit 1 Introduction, Lecture number 3, we will see regarding the topics quality control, quality management and principle of quality management, contribution of renowned quality gurus. So, these are the three different topics that we are going to cover in this today's video. Now, first of all, let us see what is the quality control. What do you mean by quality control? Quality control, or QC for short, is a process by which entities reviewed the quality of all factors involved in production. This approach places an emphasis on three aspects, that is, elements such as control, job management, defined and well managed process, performance and integrity criteria, and identification of record. So this is out of three, this is the first aspect on which the quality control depends. Second is competence such as knowledge, skill, experience and qualification. And third is the soft elements such as personal integrity, confidence, organizational culture, motivation, team spirit and quality relationship. So these are the different aspects or approach placed as an emphasis on the quality control parameter. Now, quality management and principles of quality management. Quality management is a recent phenomena. Advanced civilizations that supported the art and craft allowed clients to choose good meetings, higher quality standards than the normal goods. Customer recognized that quality is an important attribute in product and service. It is recognized by the customer that product means a quality of a product is judged by its service and the attribute of that product. Supplier recognize that quality can be an important differentiator between their own offering and those of competitors. So again, द क्वालिटी इज़ वन ऑफ द पैरामीटर. क्वालिटी एक पैरामीटर है जो आपके कॉम्पिटिटर्स मार्केट में है उससे एक अलग होना. फॉर एग्जांपल, वन कंपनी इज़ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ए गियर. नाउ देर आर नंबर ऑफ कंपनीज मैन्युफैक्चरिंग गियर. सो हियर if your quality is best or good, you can differentiate yourself from the others on the quality aspect. So quality is one of the parameter where you can differentiate yourself from your competitor and also build a quality gap. Now, principles of quality management. Quality managements adopt a number of management principles that can be used by top management to guide their organization towards improved performance. So there are many different principles of quality management that that can be adopted in order to develop the quality management. So the principle includes customer focus, leadership, involvement of people, process approach, system approach to management, continual improvement, factual approach to decision making, mutual beneficial supplier relationship. So these 8 principles form the basic form of the quality management system standard ISO 9001 and 2008. Here if we see number 1, customer focus, it means we have to keep the customer in mind and what the customer is demanding. Second, leadership. When we are running an organization, a leadership, the person who is running this organization should take the leadership and he should keep a quality in his mind. Involvement of people, whatever you are doing, everybody should be involved in that, and all should be a part of it, so that when he is doing some job or some work, he will find himself in a suitable position where he gives his best. Process approach, we have to adopt the process for the quality. So whatever the process is adopted, we have to approach it and fulfill it. System approach to management, if there is any fault in the manufacturing. Now, the contribution of renowned quality gurus. What are the different involvement of quality gurus in the development of the quality? The following are the view of different quality gurus and their shares for the quality. Edward Deming. I also in previous lecture told that Edward Deming has given, according to him, quality is a dynamic and is a business strategy. He says that every activity should be aimed at customer. As per him, whatever we are looking, each and every activity of the product should be aimed in keeping the customer in mind. He then introduced the concept of activity flow contrary to the hierarchical system. Dr. Deming defines quality as a product or a service possess the quality if it helps someone to live better and enjoy a large and sustainable market. He had given PDSA cycle: plan, do, study, and act. He had also given 14 points of quality control. Now, according to the Edward Deming, he says that whatever you do or whatever the product you plan and whatever the activity you do, keep a customer in mind, focus customer in mind, and always keep the concept of hierarchy in mind, that each and every person has a definite work to do. Dr. Deming defines a quality as a product or a service possess the quality if it helps someone to live better and enjoy a large and sustainable market. If a product is helping someone to live a sustainable or a better life, then we justify the statement of the Edward Deming. He also says PDSA, it means plan, do, study, and act. So PDSA cycle is one of the strategy given by the Edward Deming for the quality as a quality management guru. Now, Balaji Reddy, founder of the quality movement in India, he was very much impressed by Deming's philosophy of quality, and so he had founded Deming's Forum in India and got the permission from W. Edward Deming Institute in the US to use their official logo, and he had started the website www.demingindia.org for the noble cause of quality movement in India. So Balaji Reddy, he was very much impressed by the statement given by the Deming. So he has established a website which you can visit, and for a noble cause of quality movement in India, and for that he has taken the permission from the university or from the Institute of Edward Deming in US. Frederick W. Taylor and specific management. According to Taylor, each job time calculation finally resulted into an overall job completion time known as standard time. Based on standard time, the production rate was decided and given to workers as target. He is considered to be father of scientific management, which has helped to ensure quality levels. So these are the different aspects of Taylor, in which he has focused very much on the time calculation or the standard time calculation of for the manufacturing given to the worker as a target. So he is also considered as a father of scientific management, which has played an important role in the development of the quality. Then Dr. Joseph Juran, he broadened the quality from the statistical origin to the total quality management, that is TQM. He added human dimensions to quality. The quality trilogy, quality planning, quality control, and quality improvement. These were the three trilogy adopted by the Dr. Joseph Juran for maintaining the quality. See, friends, all these quality gurus has given some definition as how they have feel that how the quality is obtained. They have given their opinion in order to obtain the best quality. And if we follow these parameters, then definitely we are going to get a standard quality product. The quality trilogy here published in 1986, which includes quality planning, quality control, and quality improvement. So if we plan better, if we control it, and if we improve it, definitely whatever the product which we are going to design, that is that will be a superb quality product. The book written by him was published in 1986, identified a third aspect to the quality management, and that is the quality planning. Juran's trilogy relates with the product deficiencies and exhibits the unit of measure such as cost of poor quality, error rate percentage, percent defective, service call rate, and so on. It will also help ensure the product stability throughout the process. So Juran has once again focused on the measurement of cost of the poor quality, or the error rate percentage, or the defective percentage, or the service call rate, whichever is taken into the consideration. It will help to ensure the product stability throughout the process. So in this video you have learned regarding what the quality gurus have said for the quality check. Thank you very much. Thank you.